Alright, in my last video, I showed you how to export this image to a JavaScript array, and I showed you the transparent and non-transparent ways, and I showed you that there was a slight flaw with the transparent method, that it didn't actually display transparently when you drew it against other shapes. It was only transparent against the canvas background color. So if you had other shapes and you drew over it, like this example here, it wasn't transparent. And I showed you a slightly kludgy way of getting that to work, but I wasn't happy with it because it was it relied too much on setting a hidden canvas and specific width and height for the canvas, and so it wasn't really all that flexible. Well, I've modified my kludgy ways, and now we have slightly improved functions. So I've created a couple functions. One is to create a hidden canvas and then uh, append it to the current document body, and that seems to work. And I also created another function similar, but it creates a canvas and also displays the image and returns a canvas element. It doesn't add it to the document body, but it seems to work. I'm not quite sure why it works, but it works. So I'm going to go over that right now, just show you what happens. Uh, so I'm using the Brave browser for this example, but it's basically Chrome. Here it is. Okay, I have it zoomed in. This is not the actual size. If we actually go to the actual size, it's rather small, hard to see, so I'm zooming in. And so right now we are only displaying the image using the putImage function. So I'll start. So here's the huge array here. It's a 4K array of red, green, blue, alpha settings. And so here is where we get the canvas context and draw the blue-green shape. So these two bars right here. Okay, and we're back. So I'm gonna uncomment this, and this creates a hidden canvas. I'm specifying 32 by 32, but you can specify any size with whatever corresponds to your image, basically. HCTX is the hidden canvas context, and right here we create putImageData structure object with the ImageData command, and we pass it the array that we have listed on top here. And I'm gonna uncomment this here, and it's going to display that. No, this is gonna write it to the hidden canvas, and we go further down here and uncomment this, and now we should be able to display that. And let's see what happens. So I'm going to refresh, and there we go. So this displays it properly. This is what we're expecting. And it seems to work well. but I thought I could do a little better, and so I created this function here, create canvas with image. So all you have to do is pass the array and width and height of the image, and this will do most of the work for you and return back um, a canvas element that's not added to the document body. So we're not performing this, we're just leaving that out. I didn't expect this to work that way, but somehow it does. I'm not sure if it's designed to work that way. If it doesn't, if something breaks in the future, we could always add this down here. But with these two functions, we're able to add multiple images, so it's a little more versatile than before. So let's uncomment and demonstrate that as well. So we create the canvas with image here, and this is going to draw it somewhere in the middle of the two current images. So I'm going to refresh again, and there we go. So this does the same thing, but with a lot less code for you to type in. So if we just use the create canvas with image, I think it's the most versatile. I left some code commented here. I thought I would require a unique ID for the canvas, but it seems that's not needed. But again, in case this breaks in the future, maybe we just uncomment this. I was wondering if this was actually needed. I think it is. Let me just refresh that. If it breaks, then it's no, that's not needed either. So we don't actually have to have. Let's go back here. Yeah, we don't actually have to add the hidden canvas to the body. So no, that works too. Okay, so that's it for me today. Thanks for watching.